guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Warda. Today I'll be installing this beautiful ash blonde wig from Alipearl. It is a highlighted wig with tones of 613 and also ashy gray tones. I then proceeded to wash it with silver shampoo and I only left it on for 10 minutes. And conditioned it with the bamboo silicone mix and left that in for 30 minutes before washing it out. Here I'm adding foundation to my wig cap and also foundation to the inside of the wig. Be mindful with doing so as it can seep through the lace. I did notice that the wig was a little bit snug. Even though it was a medium-sized cap, it was still a little bit too tight, but we made it work at the end. Here I'm trying to decide between a middle part and a side part. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the install and I'll be back at the end with the final thoughts and the end results.
To the head and float. Already fed the poke. Niggas too scared to go. I could've like hands and soap. Head to toe. I sit to the head and float. The meat lady drag on the floor. It's a none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
Okay guys, so this is the finished results. I put some beach wave curls in there. Unfortunately, I didn't use any hairspray, so it did drop, which is sad because I took some time curling this. But I think if you would add some hairspray, then the curls would stay. But honestly guys, look at that. I mean, this wig is beautiful. From all the other videos that I've watched of people reviewing this wig, it looked like it had brown roots, but it didn't. When my wig came, at least it had like gray roots, like dark gray silverish roots, and I was very intimidated by that at the beginning because I was like, but then after I installed it, because this is the second time me installing this wig. I've worn it once before, which was for my birthday, and I didn't really do anything to it. I didn't add no baby hairs, nor did I do that now. So this is also with no baby hairs. I like it because I feel like with blonde you can sometimes go wrong with baby hair. Like I said, the first time I didn't really customize it. I didn't even pluck it. This wig already comes pre-plucked. I don't feel like you have to bleach the roots. Like if you want to do that, you can, but I don't think it's necessary. The first time I installed it, I did it with the side part and it looked pretty good. But this time I did pluck it a little bit. Just a little bit, not much, honestly. I ordered a 24-inch wig. It is really true to length. Maybe I should stand up a little. It feels very soft. Does it shed? It does, but you know, I would expect that because it is a blonde wig. The tones in this wig is just magnificent. I don't know if you can see that with the bright lights on now. So it is highlighted as well. I do want to say that the second time, so me installing it this time, I do want to note that I did wash it with silver shampoo, and I feel like that kind of got rid of the gray tones that I had at the roots. Put the silver shampoo on for like max 5 minutes, washed it out with like this bamboo conditioner, and the hair feels so soft still. The wig is pretty full, I would say. I think it's 180 density and the lace is 13x4. So you have pretty much space up to here, I would say. And then even you can also part it all the way on the sides. If you want to try something different and you do want to try a color but you don't know what exactly you can go for, I would say go get you this wig. I was intimidated myself as well. I've worn blonde hair once before, but like never this icy, I would say. I've always had a more yellowish blonde. But again, this, if it's your birthday and you need a birthday wig, I would say get this wig, because this is something else. This is a look, okay? People are turning their heads when you're walking past. All right. So honestly, I don't have anything bad to say about this unit. It is just the perfect shade of blonde. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.